Budgeting. This is Dadi and her pampered granddaughter Pari. Dadi comes to stay with Pari and her parents during the summer vacation. During the course of the stay, Dadi observes that whatever Pari asks for, her parents buy it. She realizes that Pari does not know the value of money and decides to play a little game with her. Pari's birthday is round the corner. Dadi takes her to the nearest mall. Dadi tells Pari that she can buy whatever she wants for 3,000 rupees, and she should not exceed the amount. Pari decides she will buy a nice dress, sandals, and earrings too. She goes to the clothing section. She's forced to look at price tags, something that she has never done before. To her surprise, she finds that the one dress that she likes costs 3,000 rupees. That doesn't leave her with any money for sandals and earrings. She asks Dadi if she will give her more money to buy sandals, which cost 500 rupees, and earrings which cost 200 rupees. Dadi tells her gently that the total of everything that she buys should not exceed 3,000 rupees, which is the budget. Pari decides to keep the sandals and earrings and looks instead for a dress which costs less. Finally, she selects a dress for 2,200 rupees, which also matches the earrings and the sandals, and proudly shows it to Dadi. Dadi gives her a hug and says, "Not only did you stay within the budget, you now have 100 rupees saved for the ice cream." Pari decides that the next time she goes shopping with her parents, she will ask them for a budget. So children, what we understand from this example is that budgeting is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. Budgeting helps you make conscious decisions on how to allocate funds for expenses. It helps you track expenses and avoid overspending. Imagine you are given a budget of 500 rupees for a school project to create 3D atoms and molecules. You visit the stationery shop and make a list of the following items that can be purchased: 6 smiley balls, metal rings, paintbrush and acrylic paints, glue stick, 10 thermocol balls, paintbrush and regular paints. How will you allocate the budget? Ten thermocol balls, 150 rupees, metal rings, 50 rupees, paintbrush and regular paints, 200 rupees, glue stick, 50 rupees. What is the total budget if the following items were chosen? 6 smiley balls, metal rings, paintbrush and acrylic paints, glue stick, Therefore, it is advisable to make your budget and spend within the budgeted amount.